Peace, beautiful people. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. I woke up. I didn't wake up. I rose up. It was a grand rising. I felt like shopping, but I wanted to feel like I was rewarding myself. So I let some light in so it can be real, shiny and just give me the mood. Let some fresh air in. And I just straightened up the room. And I remembered I had clothes outside from yesterday. Decided to get those out here. It was pretty sunny, but it was still breezy today. So I was like, it's the perfect day to do something. And I was just like, yeah, never mind. I'm going to just go shopping. And I have a list of items that I still need for my house. So I wasn't just going shopping for just whatever. I still have a few things. So I went on my app called Bolt. It's like Uber, but it's cheaper. And I have a discount right now. So we got this driver. I have my housekeeper with me because I always feel comfortable with her, even though I can do this by myself, but I'd rather use the help. So I love this area. This is what I shopped last time with my first house when I arrived in TZ. And look, y'all, this was on my Pinterest and I had to get it. I was like, perfect. I knew they would have something like this. I was driving. That's why when you're in the car riding, you need to look around because you might see a store that you want to go back to, or like a little outside, display area thing. So I tried it out, sat down, fell in love, and it swung like a swing. Look at my face, look at that smile. Look, I felt like a little girl. It was beautiful, all the items, and it was affordable. So not only did I get that, I purchased the 3-seater. Yep, and then we went and got some food. Yes, I got Pizza Hut. Usually I don't eat cheese, but y'all, it's okay. I felt like, I condemned myself. And they also, my girls, they like the little French fries and what is that thing you call it? The drinks? Crushers. But yeah, now we're on the way back. We're going to get it delivered. It wasn't free delivery, but it came. So for everything total, and I thought that 3-piece was going to fit up here. I don't know how. And then I thought about it. I was like, you know what? I don't think it's going to fit. But I sat one of them on the back of the girls' patio. And then here's mine. So beautiful. I'm going to be in this thing sleeping. Thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.